Good morning, my dear students. My name is Hilal Ahmed Mehraz, but you can call me Teacher Hilal. Today we are going to talk about alphabets. We are talking about English alphabets. In every language we have alphabets, but today we are talking about English alphabets. You know how many letters do we have in English alphabets? We have 26 letters in English alphabets, right? How many letters do we have in English alphabets? We have 26 letters. شپږویشت توري لرو د انګلیسي په الفبا کې. In these 26 letters are written both small and capital. We have small letters and we have capital letters. Now, you know what is capital letter and what is small letter? Capital letter means big letters. Capital turi mana ghat turi, ghat huruf. In small letters, it means wada huruf. Okay, you know the first letter in English. Who can tell me what is the first letter in English? Let me ask from Ali. Ali, can you tell me what is the first letter in English alphabets? Yes, please stand up. What is the first letter? Great. The first letter in English, it is A. Now, let me show you how do we write A. Omar, we write A like this. This is A. What is this? A. Repeat after me. A. What? I can't hear you. Please, a bit louder. A. Excellent. A. Right. What is the sound of this letter? Open your mouth like this. Great. Now, like apple, right? This is A, and this is the small A. Capital A, small a. We call this mother A, and we call this small a. Capital letter غټ حروف تا موږ څه شی وایو او غټ حروف موږ څرنګه لیکو؟ غټ حروف موږ دا رقم لیکو. A. This is capital, this is small. Da غټ A دی او دا کوچنی. Now guys, who can tell me something that starts with A? Yes, you Khadija. Please stand up. Tell me something that starts with A. Great. Now let me show you something that starts with A. Have you ever seen this? Have you ever eaten this? Damu kala khwadale. What is this? That's a shayda. Yes, you. Omar, what is this? Great. Da manada. So, what is it called in English? Tata pa English ki څه شی وایو؟ Apple. څه شی وایو؟ Apple. Not apple. Apple. What? Apple. Repeat after me. Apple. 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 Right? Now, let's put this apple under A. Excellent. This is apple. You got it? This is apple. Now, how do we write apple? Let me write apple for you. We write apple like A P P L E. This is apple. Right? What is this? Who knows this? What is this? Great. It's also apple. That's a shayda? Apple. Okay, you please stand up. Jamal, what is this? What? Excellent. This is apple. Right? What does apple mean? Khadija, apple samana. Excellent. Apple mana. Right? You know, guys, this is green apple and this is red apple. I don't like green apple. I like red apple. Right? Now, what is the next English letter after A? The next English letter is B. What is the next English letter? The next English letter is B. Now, how do we write B? We write B like this, right? Now, as I told you before, we have two types, small and capital. So this is capital B. لکه څرنګه چې ما مخکې تاسو ته وویل موږ دوه قسمه توري لرو، کوچني توري او غټ توري، کوچني حروف او غټ حروف. Now this is B. Jamal, is this capital or small? Jamal, da کوچنی بی ده که غټ بی ده؟ Great. دا غټ بی ده. How do we write small b? کوچنی بی څنګه لیکو؟ کوچنی بی داسې لیکو. B. سمه ده؟ Okay. Now, who can tell me something that starts with B? څوک ماته داسې نوم ویلی شي چې هغه په B باندې خلاص شروع سوی وي؟ چې په کوم توري شروع سوی وي؟ په B توري باندې شروع سوی. آفرین عمر. بلال. آفرین. Excellent. Khadija. Bahar. Excellent. Now, my dear students, let me show you something that starts with B. You know what is this? What is this? Do you see this? Ahmad, do you see this? What is this? Excellent. This is boy. Repeat after me. Boy. 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 What does boy mean? Boy samana. Boy means halak. Boy samana. Boy mana halak. Afareen. Now, let me show you something else that starts with B. راځئ چې یو بل تصویر درته ښیم چې په B باندې شروع کیږي. هغه څه شی ده؟ What is that? That is ball. What's this? Ball. Do you play football? Or did you play cricket? Okay, who can tell me who plays football? Do you play football? Oh, you are a good player. What do you play? Cricket or football? Football? Great. You play football. You are a good player. Excellent. Now, what is this? This is ball. What is the first letter? Who can tell me what is the first letter? Yes, you, Umar. What is the first letter? This. Yes, this one. Excellent. The first letter is B. You, Jamal. Is this small b or capital B? Great. This is small b. Now let's this ball under B. Great. And the next one is, the next noun that starts with B is bee, right? Bee also starts with B. And what does bee mean? Bee means muchai. That is bee. Excellent. You are very intelligent. I'm lucky that I have such an intelligent students in my class. Okay, what is the next letter after B? Who can tell me what is the next letter after B? Jamal, you? Do you know? Okay, tell me, Jamal. What is the next letter after B? What? Yes, the next letter after B is C. Okay, how do we write C? We write C like this. We write C like this. This is C and this is capital C. And this is small c. Cut C, ouch, nice C. Right? Now, who can tell me something that starts with C? Who can tell me something that starts with C? Yes, Hamid, you. Tell me something or tell me a noun that starts with C. Yes, you. What? Yes, Kabul city. So what starts with C? Kabul or city? Excellent, city. What is this? This is city. What does city mean? City means khar. City se mana? City mana khar. City. Pa kum tori shuru dai? Pasi bandi. Ma pasi wai? City. 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 Wes razai daga city. This silandiliko city. Okay. What did we talk about today? We talked about 3 letters. A, B, C. Repeat after me. A, B, C. Okay guys, this was our today's lesson. I hope you learned it. See you tomorrow.